Thank you for sharing the text of the banned video. Based on this script, the video appears to promote positive messages, transforming a negative song into an anthem for unity and mutual support. However, here's how a seasoned lawyer specializing in social media content might analyze the situation and advise you. Analysis 1. Content review. The lawyer would carefully review the text for any indirect references or phrases that might have been misinterpreted by TikTok's moderation algorithms or reviewers. Despite the positive intent, platforms can be overly cautious, especially with sensitive topics like racism and national identity. 2. Community guidelines. They would assess the video against TikTok-specific community guidelines. Although your video aims to counteract hate speech by substituting hateful lyrics with positive ones, TikTok might have flagged the mention of Ausländer raus and Deutschland den Deutschen, not recognizing the transformative intent immediately. 3. Appeal process. The lawyer would likely advise on the appeal process, which you've already pursued. They might suggest rephrasing or adding clear disclaimers about the intent of the content if you plan to repost or appeal further. 4. Platform-specific advice. Since different platforms have varying sensitivity to topics, the lawyer might advise on how to adjust the content slightly without changing its core message to better align with specific platform policies. 5. Alternative dispute resolution. Given the response from TikTok suggesting options like out-of-court settlement or litigation, the lawyer would realistically evaluate the prospects and costs of such actions. Legal action can be costly and time-consuming with uncertain outcomes, especially against large platforms with substantial legal resources. 6. Strategic repositioning. They might suggest alternative ways to present the content that could bypass potential flags, such as using different phrasing, focusing more explicitly on the educational aspect, or enhancing the context provided to viewers. Next steps. Refinement. You could refine the video's introduction to make the anti-hate message clearer right from the start. This might involve explicitly stating the transformational intent of the content in the video's opening seconds. Documentation. Prepare a detailed document explaining the video's purpose, the context of the phrases used, and how it aligns with promoting a positive message. This can be helpful if you decide to engage further with TikTok or seek legal advice. Professional consultation. It might be beneficial to consult directly with a lawyer who can provide a personalized review and potentially communicate with TikTok on your behalf. The key is to balance creative expression with platform rules, ensuring that your content clearly conveys its positive intent without room for misinterpretation.